Welcome to Anastasia School channel. Hello grade 7. I wish you are in a good health, you are fine. And today we are learned about foreign language. Yeah, but before we start this lesson, this section, let's read this together. Never stop learning because life never stop teaching. In bahasa Indonesia, jangan pernah berhenti belajar karena hidup ini tidak pernah berhenti untuk mengajar. Okay, let's continue to the topic for today. So today we are learned about am, is, are. Jadi pada hari ini kita belajar, pada video kali ini kita belajar mengenai apa itu am, is, dan are. Nah, mari kita baca sedikit dulu mengenai gadis yang ada pada layar kamu yang bisa kamu lihat. Kita baca bersama. Hi, my name is Lisa. I am 12. I'm American. I'm from Chicago. My father is a doctor and my mother is a journalist. My favorite sports are football and swimming. Nah, dari sini kamu bisa melihat from this text, you can see that there are am, is, and are. And how to use it? Let's check it out. Okay, the first one is positive. Okay, yang pertama itu mengenai positif. Bagaimana menggunakan, how to use am, is, are itu dalam bentuk positif. Ya, the first one is I am. Second one, he, she, it, use is. Jadi he, she, it ini menggunakan is. Are itu digunakan oleh, sedangkan are digunakan oleh we, you, they. Nah, jadi jangan pernah salah. Ini yang disebut dengan subjek. I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Itu subjek. Sedangkan am, is, are, there is to be, itu adalah to be. Nah, selanjutnya in a short form, dalam bentuk pendeknya, dalam bentuk singkatnya, I am ini kadang dibuat orang menjadi am. Okay, repeat after me, am. Okay, kemudian the next one is he become his. She is become she's. It is become its. Okay. How about we, you, they? Okay, we are. In a short form, we're. You are. In a short form, you are. They are. Become their. Okay. The next one, in a negative form, you can say I am not. And then he, she, it plus is plus not. Let's check it out. Okay, I am not or I'm not. He, she is not. He is not. She is not. It is not. You can say in a short form, he is not, or B, he isn't. Or she's not, or she isn't. Okay, it's not, or you can say it isn't. The next one is we're not, or you can say we aren't. We aren't. Next, you're not. You can say you aren't, or they're not, or you can say they aren't. Okay, that's the way how to say am, is, are in positive and negative. Okay, let's continue for the example. Ya, jadi kita masuk langsung ke contohnya so that you can practice it at home. The first one is I'm cold. Okay, I'm cold in a sentence. Okay, next one, I'm 15 years old. Atau kamu juga bisa bilang I am 15 years old. Okay. Next. My brother is very tall. He is a policeman. Abang saya sangat tinggi. Dia seorang polisi. My brother is very tall. He is a policeman. Next. It's 10 o'clock. Nah, dalam menggunakan it's, ya, yang kepanjangannya adalah it is. It's 10 o'clock. You're late again. Ini jam 10. Kamu terlambat lagi. That's the meaning. Next. Anne and I are a good friends. Why we use are in a subject and I? Ya, kenapa kita menggunakan are dalam subjek and dan I ini? Oke, kita bisa melihat ada and, ada juga I atau saya. Nah, it means more than one atau lebih dari satu. Dalam arti kata, oke, kita bisa bilang we. Oke, jadi karena dia lebih dari satu, maka kita bilang we are atau and I. We. Oke. And I are a good friends. The next one, your keys are on the table. Your keys are on the table. Kunci kamu ada di atas meja. Why we use are? Kenapa kita menggunakan are? Padahal di situ ada keys. Keys kan kunci. Artinya kalau diubah menjadi kata bantu lainnya ialah it. Nah, namun case di sini, kunci di sini lebih dari satu. Ada penambahan s. Itu bukan biar dingin ya. Ini penambahan s untuk menunjukkan bahwa kuncinya itu lebih dari satu. Nah, your keys are on table. Kunci kamu ada di atas meja. Kalau dia cuma satu, your key is on the table. Kalau dia cuma satu, kalau dia lebih dari satu, kamu bisa bilang your keys are on the table. Oke, saya harap, I hope you can read this slide. Let's we continue. Okay, is also not only for a subject. You can use is in that, there, and here. Okay, that's in a short form, and that is, there's in a short form become there is, here's, or you can say here is. The next one, the example is thank you. That's very kind of you. That is very kind of you. Oke, kamu juga bisa bilang dengan hal yang berbeda. The next one is look, there's Chris. Lihat, itu Chris. Oke, look, there's Chris. Atau kamu bisa look, there is Chris. Oke. Next example, here's your key. Here's your key. Here is your key. It means the key only one. Kuncinya hanya satu. Okay, we have learned about am, is, are. So now, let's do this exercise. Mari kita kerjakan latihan yang sudah saya letakkan, yang sudah saya persiapkan pada layar kamu. Kamu bisa mengerjakannya. Write the short form. Tuliskan bentuk singkatnya. Contohnya, she's or weren't. Oke, saya kasih contoh. I give you one example for the first question. She is become she is. Yeah, she is. Okay, so you can continue the next one. It is not, I am not, they are, that is, you are not. Okay, this is the first. And the next, so I have two exercise for you to practice it at home or wherever you are. You can send the result to my WhatsApp. Okay, I hope you are ready in a group, WhatsApp group. Okay, the second, put in, letakkan atau masukkan kata am, is, or are in the blank dalam kata kosong yang ada pada layar kamu. The weather blank nice today. So you can put am, is, or are. Okay. I think that's all for today. We can continue our lesson in the next meeting. So see you. God bless you all.